Hello, all. Yeah, I hope you are doing well in the today's market. You can see over here, today I have booked a very good profit of 1:3 risk to reward ratio. Let me show you my positions over here. I have booked almost 12K in small account, which I have made this account for only for showing live trading purpose only. I am unable to show big accounts. So I am choosing this account to show you a proper format of trading in the live market along with showing you what is happening in my account as well. Now look at here, we have booked 12K profits over here. And what was our strategy is after today's market opening, it has crossed previous day's low and given a small pullback as well. In this pullback, I have initiated my position over here. After that, I carried my position till my target level here. We are having another support of 43,600 level, and I have placed my target just above this level. Now this is in 5 minutes time frame. When you look on 15 minutes time frame as well, the market is still bearish. Now what will be our next plan? If market pulls upside over to this region and then shows any negative scenario over here, then I can go for my trade, and my next target will be till this trend line only. Because when we look on daily time frame, market is still in uptrend, but this is a small pullback in this uptrend itself. If it crosses below 43,300 level, then I will start building my position in negative side aggressively. Until then, I will be going slow and steady. This is about today's trade, and this is our profit in small account. I hope you got the points and insight for this today's trade as well.